Hello, welcome to this video about the network in my smart home. The network in a smart home is a combination of very different systems, and I'm about to explain you how I've done that. I hope that this explanation will help you to make up your own mind for your own smart home and help you to do the right thing early. When we have a look to the network, we always start with the external internet, the WAN, wide area network, and our router. The router is usually provided from our ISP and it comes ready to go, very easy usually to set it up nowadays. It will offer cable ports and usually also offer a Wi-Fi. In my network, I'm using the router and the routing function of it. It's usually hidden in a command called IP tables. Details are not important here. It's just working in the router and we'll use it. A second very important item is port forwarding. So if a specific port is addressed from the outside, it's forwarded to a particular host inside. And I would guess if port forwarding would not have been invented, IP version 4 would be dead by now. But we have it, so we don't get rid of IP version 4, but that's another story. So IP tables in the router we use it, port forwarding very helpful. Now usually dynamic host configuration protocol DHCP is used by the router and I've disabled that. And I will explain in a second why. Same is for the name daemon. So if you want to resolve a normal internet name, www whatsoever, and get the IP address as a number, this is done by the name server, name daemon, and this is also disabled in the router in my network. Those two functions I have moved to my smart home center, which is a Raspberry Pi. And here I'm running locally in my own environment the DHCP and the name server. This makes me very flexible. I can allocate my own domain name internally in my network. I can use the internal IP address to be served by the DHCP daemon. I can resolve the names internally to the specific device. In total, the combination of port forwarding and the local DHCP and name server gives me the opportunity to use the very same internet address internally and externally to call a certain web page on a certain Raspberry or on a certain device. So this is very convenient. I set one bookmark and it works at home and it works externally. On the smart home center, I also run DD client to connect my domain with my router. And I use the KNX daemon, which opens the door to the KNX interface and all the KNX devices in my smart home. Then I have Home Assistant, another Raspberry Pi, nothing special on that implementation. It has the Zigbee offer, it has the thread capabilities, it can support Matter, and it connects Bluetooth devices. I have several more Raspberry Pis. I'm using different extensions. I have a special page in my wiki on that in case you are curious. And you find the address of the wiki below the video and in my channel. I have the KNX interface, which connects easily. And last not least, I have from Amazon the Echo devices. They connect via Wi-Fi to my router and my network. And they offer connectivity and network support for Z-Wave, for Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. So this is the network arrangement. I have disabled some functions on the router, moved them into a central Raspberry Pi for more flexibility, and then all the other devices are a standard setup. Here in that wiki there is much more information with some more details, some other links, which I will step by step also improve. So thanks for listening. In case you are curious for the wiki, which also covers a lot of other sections, have a look to it. Address is below the video. Thank you for listening and watching. Bye bye.